So Hannah, what are you doing?
Oh, you know, just looking up some possible future jobs.
So like, what were you thinking about?
Well, I was thinking I could be a mathematician, considering I'm really good with numbers and all. You know, guys, I've been thinking it'd be pretty cool if we were rock stars. Are you ready to rock?
No, that's not gonna work.
Definitely not. I think I'm gonna stick to mathematician.
Yeah.
Better idea.
But you know what? I know some people who are rock stars.